Alrighty, first grade. So today we're going to create a Romero Brito inspired print. We're gonna sketch out an animal of our choice, and then you guys are going to have some fun next time and be printing different objects on top of it. It'll make more sense once we get to next time, but we're gonna sketch it all out today. Hopefully you walked in with a bright colored piece of paper and a pencil. What I want you to do is I want you to open your Chromebook, go to First Grade Art Studio, and then give me a thumbs up. Okay, if you haven't already, I need you to go to classwork. It's that second tab right here. Click, and then you're going to see week 14, Romero Brito inspired sketch. Go ahead and click it open. It should look something like this. It takes forever to load, but give me a thumbs up once you're here. So here is the 1, 2, 3. Try to get here as soon as you can. You're gonna see where it says pick your animal here. I'm going to click where it says pick my animal. And do you see how it popped open a new slide? Click, and then there's that crazy cat that we talked about. Go ahead and open this, and then give me a thumbs up. All right, so you guys get to choose what animal you wanna do. Now you have to do with your animal big, 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 big. You have to draw it really big. Otherwise this project is not gonna work for you. You could do the cat. You could do a dog. These are just ideas. Could you do your own animal? That's totally fine. Could you do a monster or dragon? Absolutely. Could you do an elephant or tiger? Absolutely. You guys get to choose what you wanna do. And if you have your own idea, you can open a tab and look it up too. But you're gonna pick out one that you wanna do. I really like this frog for some reason. So I'm going to push my computer back and you're going to draw it super big as you can on your paper. Before we do that, let's go ahead and at the bottom of your paper, let's go ahead and write your name. I'm gonna write Mr. Boatfield because that's my name. But give me a thumbs up once you have your name. All right, now let's go ahead and write our class code. Our class code is the day of the week, our grade level, which is 1, and then our table number, which is that little white number near your seat. Give me a thumbs up once you have it. All right, I'm going to draw this frog, so I'm gonna keep my Chromebook open, draw the frog, and I'll be right back. All right, this is what I'm talking about when I mean big. I need you to draw real big. If you're drawing something teeny tiny, it's not gonna work for this project. You gotta draw it big, so I'm gonna make you turn it over and try again. Now, here's the second most important thing. You need to split up the background into sections. You're also gonna split up your frog or whatever animal into sections. Yes, I know, poor froggy here. You're going to split up your animal into sections because in each one of those sections, we're gonna have a different pattern that we're going to print in next time. I'm gonna split up the background. Do you see this big space right here? I need to split that up, it's too big. All right, that's a little bit better. Maybe a line over here. Definitely a line right there. Split that up. This one's way too big. Bam. You're going to split it up into little sections. There's one more thing that I want you to do. You're going to take this big jumbo Sharpie. We call this big Sharpie Big Bertha. And you're going to go over your lines. And it's going to make a really thick line. Just go over them very slow. It's very satisfying. You're gonna go over every single line. Did I miss some? I sure did. Just get those lines. And yes, I apologize that your animals are going to be all lined up. You can even add more lines if you feel like it needs it. And then you are ready for next time when we're going to take paint, we're gonna have some fun with bubble wrap, cardboard, and we're going to create different patterns in all of these sections. So make sure you have some room for yourself for next time. Once you have your name on it, you have a big animal that's split up into different sections. Return Big Bertha to her house where she lives, that little plastic tub. Please return the pencil and you can choose a new activity of your choice. And then let me know if your animal doesn't show up here and I can add it to our presentation. Have a good one, and I'm so excited to see what you create.